Hey everybody. So, Happy Meal again. Yeah. This one's really cool and it's not just for YouTubers. It's for everybody. Okay. And, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. I don't know what I'm saying. It's a commercial break and I'm trying to hurry. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
We have new babies. Look at them all. Sorry. Look at the babies. Aww. A whole bunch of them. Sorry, I know, motion sick. Look, they even got a little ramp to go down. Aww. Oh, you're on the wrong side of the fence, buddy. So cute. Okay. Hang on, I gotta get the mail. Oh, look! Mail! Oops. Okay. Alright. Welcome wagon. Okay, fine. Let's go. Can't wait to open my mail. My other package arrived today too. And I have to go potty really, really bad. But Jasmine had to go worse than I did because I got off work at 6 instead of 5. And she barely made it. Okay, I need to run because I'm going to wet myself a little bit. And it's about to rain and that's not going to help matters. Hi everybody. It is Monday, 7 o'clock, June 17th. And my other package arrived yesterday, but I had already finished filming and editing. So it was killing me to wait to open this one because I really wanted it last night. But all right. But we also have this from Becky. So we're gonna open Becky's first. Make sure I don't know what this is. What the heck is this? Wendy, well, not Wendy. I elaborated. I hope you like these. I think it looks just like Jazzy from Becky. Oh my goodness. Oh. Becky and Becca made needle minders. These are adorable. Oh my gosh. So cute. Okay, here's the camera. I see. Little coffee. I'm trying to get it so. Okay, hang on. Is that not adorable? Okay. And even cuter. Look at how cute that is. Those are absolutely adorable. Thank you so much. Okay, now, there I am. Okay. These are absolutely adorable. I absolutely love them. So cute. Thank you very, very much. Really appreciate that, Becky and Becca. I know you were involved too. All right. Awesome. I don't want to lose those. Let me put them over here. Okay. Now let's check this one out. All right. I'm using the microphone. I have it clipped to my pant leg. So, courtesy of Allison Rosen's suggestion, 3D wireless eye mask. All right, I think you're that autofocus. Oh, okay. So what this is, it is headphones and a sleep mask. Yeah. Again, I didn't know they made such a thing. And this is one of those where, you know, I thought of an idea like 15 years ago because I like to listen to music and stuff when I go to sleep, but it bothers your significant other. And I thought, well, they should make an alarm clock that's inside your pillow so that you hear it in your pillow to wake you up and it doesn't wake up the person next to you. Well, obviously now with your phone you can do that and you can have this and it'll wake you up with your alarm. That's not the reason I got it, but... All right, so it has little spots for your eyeballs so you don't crinkle up your long eyelashes. And it is like a velour on the outside, kind of a satiny feel on the inside. And then right here are your actual controls. Volume up and down. Next song, play and pause, I guess. I don't know. But there's, on the website, on Amazon, it had like different instructions for the order or how long you push buttons and what kinds of things it would do. But I thought that was so cool. And it's rechargeable, so it's actual wireless. Some of them you had to have a wire. Yeah, try rolling over 3 times with that on. Okay. Charging cord. And I guess a little sack to keep it in. Charging time 2 to 2.5 hours, and the working time more than 8 hours, so it should last the night. Okay, so volume up or next track, on, off, play, pause, answer, so you can answer the phone with your phone. Volume up and down or previous track, and the charging port. So yeah, you can answer and reject phone calls. and skipped songs. Raise and lower the volume. So I can't wait to use this. I'm going to charge the sucker up and use it tonight, and I will let you know what I think. So here we go. Yeah, there we go. Did you say something, honey? I love it. It's awesome. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go. Just really short, obviously, but see you in the next one. I don't know what it's gonna be. I'm out of footage. I do still have the audio though to go over cross stitching, but I use the cross stitching for something else. So yeah. So onward and upward. Okay. Bye, guys. Yeah, no makeup. Dark circles. It's because I need my beauty sleep. Okay. Bye. Oh, one more thing. So I was playing around with Snapchat with Danette, sending each other little clips. And I discovered this about myself. This is me in Snapchat in the orange shirt next to my brother. Let me know what you think. Okay, bye.
Okay, that's scary. Never thought that they looked a lot alike. But now I can see it. Yeah. It's like me and Tiny. You know, I didn't think we looked a lot alike, but others did. And I miss him. I don't know where he is, but I hope he comes back. Yeah. Alright. Anyway, see you in the next one, guys. Bye-bye.